Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Sorry kung ngayon lang ulit ako nakapag-upload. Pero itong upload ko is hindi muna ako magpapakita ng mukha. Sorry, sinisipon ako. Kasi marami akong gawain. Medyo busy pa ako. So, ito munang iti-take ko is what's on my phone. So, ang phone ko is Tecno Spark Go 1, yung bagong labas ng Tecno. And what's on my phone? So, I have this AI Gallery, Palm Store, Google, which is, ang nandyan is Google, Gmail, Maps, YouTube, Drive, YT Music, Google TV, Meet, Gallery, Assistance, File, and Sync. So here we have Calendar, Chrome, Hola Browser, Play Store, Settings, Call, Messages, Camera, and Editing Lock. Syempre. Wait lang. So yun guys, I'm back. Na-stop ng ating screen record dahil may tao na dumating. So next is Messenger, Facebook, TikTok, Camera, YouTube, Blockblast, Play Store, CalQ, AHA Games, AI Gallery, all PDF, Assistance, Calendar, Call of Duty, Camera, CapCut, Car Care, Chrome, Clock, Compass, Contacts, Drama Box, Drive, Facebook, Family, Save Your Files, Gallery, Gmail, Good Short, Google TV, Hi Team, Hola Browser, InShot, Instagram Lite, IKEA, AI Remote, Lazada Lite, Lazada, FB Lite, Maps, Meet, Messages, Messenger, Mobile Clone, ba yan? Basta, Mobile Legends, NGL, Notepad, Palm Store, Phone Master, Pinterest, Play Store, PowerPoint, Recorder, Roblox, Safety, Settings, SIM Toolkit, Spotify, Tecno Spark, Threads, TikTok, Visha Player, Weather, Wow FM, YouTube, and YouTube Music. So, yun lang. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell button katabi ng subscribe button, and para lagi kang updated whenever I upload or post a video. Bye!